is your Thursday weekly briefing. Today or this week, we're mostly looking at higher rain rates, especially over the next few days, and then cooler temperatures over the next week. And along with those higher rain rates, we could see some isolated flooding. This is currently what's going on. Most of the rain is relegated north of I-20 for now, but we're expecting to see that shift southward over the next few hours. This is the current satellite image, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of stratiform cloud coverage out there, and we are getting a bit of precip pretty much across the entire area today. This is the projected QPF. We're looking up to about 4 inches over the next 3 days, so this is a 3-day running total. Some areas we could see up to 5 inches over the next 3 days, and looking at it, pretty much the entire CWA is going to be affected with those rain rates up to 4 inches. This right here is going to highlight when we're expecting that rain, and looking over the next couple of days is going to be our highest rain rates, and then Sunday onwards we should dry up pretty substantially. This is our forecast for the total rainfall through Saturday, so it does deviate a little bit from the QPF, but that's because we've taken in some local effects and things like that. So realistically, we're looking at 2 to 3 inches for most areas. Again, though, just bear in mind that there is quite a bit of variance in the forecast, so we could see up to 4 inches, some places even 5. So going along with that, that's why we've generated some heavy rain products over the next couple of days. So this is through tonight, just a limited heavy rain graphic for northwestern parts of the area. And then tomorrow we're looking at more southern half of the area, more or less, and that should be about 1 to 3 inches of rain. And really we're looking at the cumulative effects over the next couple of days. And then finally, I wanted to end with some good news here. We're going to be cooling off this week. Our highest temperatures over the next week, barely get into 90 degrees a couple of sites, but we really stay in the mid to high 80s for those afternoon highs. To review, we're looking at high rain rates, 1 to 4 inches with 5 possible, bringing potential for isolated flooding, and then finally some unseasonably cool temperatures. That concludes today's briefing. If there are any questions, feel free to contact us using the information provided here.